Today I was late. Good market is already over. I don't think I'll get whole lot of trades here, but I just wanted to come and trade a bit and give you some understanding of how to use Sliver Bullet Pro to make a living. So let me first show the screen, analysis screen. No, this is not really required. I can use the screen that chart that's on the screen now. So let me change it to ES. All right. So the market opened somewhere here. It was nice, a gap up market. ES opened way above Friday's close. And then overnight it went up, up, up. And just before the market opened this morning at 8:30 a.m. Central, it started to plummet. It picked up all the liquidity it could at a VWAP level and then started to push back up. Took all the liquidity, trapped all the buyers here, and started to fall. From then on, it filled the gap up, not fully, a part of gap up. So here is the gap up area. Market closed here Friday, opened here Sunday evening, and it touched the gap up. I would say it still has to fill the gap up. In NQ, the gap up has been filled. If you see, if I show you the NQ, this gap has been filled, but ES hasn't filled the gap. So maybe the market will fluctuate here back and forth or try to push down a little more before it resumes its upward trajectory. So at this moment, I was kind of late by 10 minutes or so, and I lost this big move. I missed this big move, and then it started to fall. I was hoping for a smaller pullback and then market to go back up, but that did not happen. It continued to push down. So I missed some two-way movement. But I did trade gold in one of my funded accounts and took some 5 trades, made $350 before commissions. And then got distracted into something else. So now I'm back. So I'll take trades between GC and ES. So I'll decide which one I like. So there is no trend here. Is a garbage. Is all garbage here. GC is okay. It's still, that trend is over. When it was trending down, I took some trades, but now it's, in back and forth mode. So not sure I want to push my luck here. I could, I still see that I can take some contrarian trades here and get some profit. But say like here this way, I could take a trade if it pushes back up. So here you go. But then, I don't expect a whole lot of movement here. So I will perhaps focus on ES because that's where the gap has to be filled, and I expect some movement. Gold will perhaps slow down here on, and it does slow down. Target filled. So one profitable trade, $80 more, 430. So I could trade gold as well. There will be movement in gold, but not as much as I would have liked. Uh, and after 10 o'clock, gold and crude oil becomes dicey, that they'll slow down and suddenly they'll make a big move. So if I'm stuck in the wrong direction, I could get a loss. So I will perhaps stop trading gold and instead I will trade um, some other instrument. Um, so what shall I trade? And another thing, overnight I blew one Bullinox at 50K account. I was hoping, I was trading gold and I thought market is going to reverse, but I didn't expect it to continue to fall. So at 2 SD level here, I took a long trade, and as you see, there's a sharp drop right after that. so I maybe I should have noticed that 2 SD level it touched twice, third time it won't respect. And I was hoping to be able to salvage the trade position here at the day low, but it continued to fall from there. So I lost one evaluation account. Fortunately, I was not trading a funded account. So that's why we recommend that use OPM, use funded accounts, evaluation accounts, not your own money. Now I could trade. So yeah, here is the Bullinox account that blew up, and I lost that. So that's okay. It will be. I'm going to trade a different account, Tick Trader. So all these are different accounts that I traded. So first one was evaluation account. So it's a decent day so far. What shall I do here? Okay. Here you go. I'll keep it this way so I can access the menu if I want to. And here, ES, I'm going to trade Tick Trader evaluation account. So if I can play contrarian, contrarian is all I can play in this market, and I will aim for 4 ticks of target. So 4 ticks this late, save it, okay. And so I'll take contrarian trade when the price goes somewhere here. I'll not take here. So okay, now I can push for a trade. Order submitted. So ES here as well. All right. So there is a trade order placed, not filled yet. Not filled yet. It says unfilled short order. And here I can see the chart where the trade is. So let me do it hidden here also. I can know here I cannot see how to change the account. All right, now I can hide it. All right, so this is an order. If it comes its way, it will get filled. Or I can, if I don't like the place, I can move it and keep it here. So at the 233 SMA level. uh, and that way I can get better price. But uh, movements are over, so I won't be getting a whole lot of action here. I could try Nasdaq. Maybe I should. Is market has slowed down, so um, Nasdaq could be a decent instrument to trade now. Yeah, why don't I do that? So same thing. I will load up. Instrument, right? And here, Nasdaq I can name for 8 ticks of profit, but I have changed the ATM to consider so I should change the ATM to something else. Chart trader. So I do not have one. I'll create one ATM. I'm going to update it to the original value. Save it as template. Okay, and I'll create one more. Save as template. 204. And use that ATM here. I will stop this order and then I'll reload the strategy. 204 ticks of profit. Select the tick trader account, enable it. Now, between Nasdaq and ES, I will see which one I want to trade. So both, I think contrarian trades will be better. Here, I'll take contrarian trade, set up for it. 4 ticks of profit I will aim for.
Order submitted.
So let's see. All right. So yeah, it didn't get filled.
Order filled.
Okay, now it got filled. So it's still at 8. Okay, I didn't change the ATM to correct one. I named it 8, but it has 8 ticks of target. So I update it. Market's going against me a bit. This one should be with 4 tick here. Okay. All right. Target. So $44 after commissions. So contrarian trade was successful here. Here, let's see, I'll take one contrarian for 8 ticks. And it is pushing up. This is always the case with the NQ. It will constantly try to go against you. So whenever we trade, we have to trade very carefully. So I'll turn the scale in button on. so that I can average the position out, position and come out. I still feel market will come down here, but if it pushes up higher, then this scale in auto adjust will kick in. Okay, so now let's look here. Okay, this is also pushing up. So as I said, it's 10:20 a.m. Central. By this time, we are done with trading. We should be done. Market becomes slow. You won't get good momentum. But I wanted to start doing some live sessions so my members can learn by watching me. So that's why I came on. I'm trying to take trades.
Order filled.
Okay, so one position got averaged here, and so if it comes down, it will try to come out for break even. Let's see if that happens. If not, one more scale in trade will kick in. This time I'm going to use churn scalper so that I don't get one more trade unless market starts to move down. Getting a lot of heat here. Market is pushing back up. So hopefully from here, from VWAP line, market should turn around and come back and salvage. I should be able to salvage my position then. So these are the pitfalls, with especially with slow market, and then also with contrarian trades. If it doesn't go your way, it could go against you and give you a hit. But still here, we are under the influence of falling market. So that's why I'm taking short trades. I've taken short trades, and hopefully this will be mitigated. This risk, come on, some more ticks. I should have stopped it. All right,
Target.
yes. So here, first trade gave me $100 of loss. Second trade, $99 of profit. So this is a break-even trade. $1 loss is not a problem. But I will turn this off and look at what it's doing. And GC is hanging in. It's back and forth. It's not going anywhere. There's no movement. Here I got a trade, $80, and after that it's like flat. So I won't touch GC now. ES, I still feel contrarian short is the right trade to take. If the price goes up here again, I will take a contrarian trade. For NASDAQ, again, I want This time I want it to be close to this top level before I initiate contrarian trade. So buy low, sell high, or sell high, buy low. That's the strategy. So if the price reaches here, it's high enough, and then I will use contrarian. So when the price pushes a little more, it will take a trade. Otherwise, it won't. It's pushing up. This all, it's like pushing against the resistance. It has this bar has formed some resistance. So when you push against resistance, there is chances are high that you get profit. And this is a good example of how you salvage a trade, that goes against you. Example of scaling. See what's happening in 30-second chart. 30-second. So 30-second it's a nice move to the upside. Yeah, it's a nice upside move. But then we are under the influence of a bearish day today after the gap up. So so this kind of markets are usually confusing. It gapped up, but now it's under bear's influence. So you don't know whether to go long or short. And there is a big FVG here. The market has to should get pulled into this FVG, the fair value gap. But whether it will happen, won't happen, that's where the confusion arises. So it means you have to treat it like a sideways market. If you have confusion, it's a sideways market, and contrarian trade is the best, and you wait for market to stretch in one direction and then trade in the opposite direction of that stretch. So if market reaches here, I will turn contrarian on again. Something happened here. Okay, there is a big drop. So big falling candle, and I got the bell that something happened. Okay, the market looks like came down to grab some orders. And here I go, my contrarian trade. Market is pushing up and I'm taking contrarian trade. It's a risky trade, but again, here I'm seeing overhead resistance. So that's why I'm taking it. Otherwise, I would prefer sitting on hands. missed the trade. I did not turn it on soon enough, so that's okay. So while doing live, I think I've taken only two good trades. One is here, $44, and one GC, $80. Um,
Order
okay,
filled.
so there is one trade here. Oh, because I kept it on. Hmm, not the greatest place, but let's see.
Target filled.
Target filled. So $35 of profit, $34 of profit. So this account has higher commissions than my Bullnox account. So that's why otherwise Bullnox would have given me $35, and here I would have, gotten instead of a net loss, it would have been a net profit by few cents. So here the question now is whether I should take contrarian trade. I would like, if price comes here, then I take contrarian trade, because this in the ranging market at the halfway mark, I don't want to take trades. Here, if this guy pushes up some more, closer to this level, 57. All right, 54. 50. Here I'm turned it on.
Target filled.
Okay, immediately $34 within seconds, guys. Was it 1 second or 2 seconds? Within seconds, got $35 more. I'll keep that on because it's pushing into resistance. And also there was 233 SMA here, right at 233 SMA market reacted. See here, reacted by 5 points. So perfect. It respects 233. Like those who have attended my webinars, they know I call it river of life. Like how animal go to water, price goes to this river again and again, like magnet. Want some more push above that line. That's okay. I think now the market is going to reverse. Good reverse. But when this railroad track like lines are there, I don't want to trade against it anymore, because two good trades. The market is reacted nicely to this level. Will it go down now? It's pushing down. Maybe it will take this liquidity and come back up. Every swing, every movement gives us opportunity to take a trade. It's just that our risk management stops us from becoming over greedy. Otherwise, I can take a contrarian long trade here. Say 2 dots is 2. This means it could have taken contrarian long trade if I had turned this on. So yeah, this is the reason, guys, I was taking contrarian trade in an uptrending short move, because see this pullback is what is expected in this kind of market. Now we churn scalper could be a possible trade opportunity here. Hmm. Nice FPG has been formed. Um,
Order filled.
so a trade was taken. It was a churn scalper trade. I was expecting it to give me a profit by now, but it hasn't. It's going against me now. So I turn the scaling mode on. It's pushing down heavily. I'll keep this stop behind this line. Oops, behind this line. And hopefully I'll get a movement. And be able to salvage this trade. I need one up movement, one addition of one long position added, and then some more movement to the upside to come out of that trade. And I want all that to happen automatically. So this is the reason taking long trades was risky.
Order submitted.
So here it's order got placed, but position did not get filled. Market is going back up. Maybe I should have kept the aggressive button on. In that case, it would have it could have gotten out of the trade. Hmm. Let's see what it's going to do.
Order filled.
So it took the trade, position got filled, or order got filled, and then I have to wait for the market to go back up. And target got adjusted automatically as well. So NQ, we have to be very careful trading, and only in good trending market we should trade it. Otherwise, in this kind of back and forth market, we'll have a lot of difficulty managing it. Market is going against me, so I may have to scale in one more time. Oh, market could take this liquidity, this low, and then move back up. So that's what I think it's trying to do. Or maybe it will come all the way here and then move back up. So if you had kept the aggressive mode on, I would have perhaps, come out of the trade by now. Since order did not get filled, market went up to the halfway mark, but when it retreated, it did not go back up. It continued to push down. So let's see. Honestly, that's why it's not when you are new, not to switch around with strategies. Stick to one strategy and use that for most of your trading, all your trading that day. So that way, your mind will be set uh, for mind will be looking for only one particular type of trade, one particular type of market condition, and keep you safe. So maybe I should not.
Order filled.
All right, this is an auto adjustment. Sometimes does not take place when market is too fast. So I have manually moved the target above the average position price. So here, little bit of movement, and my position will get salvaged. If not, I have to think of taking a loss and exiting. Not working. If it goes down, I may end up closing the position, one position.
Stop filled.
Yeah, it got stopped. One. So I will turn this on again in case I get a favorable trade. So last 82 okay, the first position got closed. So that's why it happened. 825. Now market is pushing back up after taking the liquidity, looks like, or not. Now what I'm going to do, I lost not 825, but where is the other? Okay, somewhere here. So expect market to go back up. So it took the liquidity, took my stop, and then moved back up. So I'll place my stop again here in case it comes down again. Then in that case, it will not go back up. It will fall. So if I hadn't moved my stop here, I would have been better off. But I needed to manage my risk as well. So I placed the stop here, and market took my stop and then started to move back up.
Target filled.
Now it seems to be heading upwards without me. So what I'm going to do is I'll start trailing my stop here.
Stop filled.
Okay, so I'm at a loss here, about $500 of loss. Market is pushing back down. I'll have to trade with
Order filled.
This is more of a manual trade because I expect market to push down now and come all the way here. So I need to benefit from that because I to take salvage that $500 of loss, and so I had to go aggressive now. Again, what I did wrong, I took a long trade here. Market is going to go back and forth before going back up. So here, market reacted at 21 SMA. It made a U-turn. That's why I expect market to go down now. Touched the FVG, tapped on it, and then started to move down. But here it's halting because the support it created earlier. Once that's clear, I expect market to come down and fill this gap. I'll go grab some water for myself. Classic back and forth market. It won't give you easy money.
Order filled. Target filled.
Took some strategic trades there.
Order
Maybe
filled.
one more. All right. I will now place the profit targets at the levels that the market would come back to, because I need to salvage this $550 of loss. So I have to do what I have to do. So again, sell high, buy low. That's what I'm trying to do in this back and forth market. This is, guys, advanced stuff. Newcomers, you should not be doing this. For them, default strategy is the best. And if the market goes against you, turn the scaling on and let the trade play out and get you out of break even. Get you out for break even. I've taken so far 3 quantity and 2 out of 3 positions. So I can take one more trade with 1 or 2 positions, and when the market comes down here, I should be. So this is my last chance, guys. If it doesn't work, I should perhaps stop trading.
Order filled.
So here you go. I have taken my chance. I did 2 more positions, so total 5. Market is pushing down. So I'll move this here. So all the trades are evenly placed. All the targets are evenly placed. It's going to scare us a lot before making a big swoop to the downside. Come down. It likes to play, this game back and forth, back and forth. Scalpers are active. They also don't know which direction the market is going to go. That's why, scalpers take small profits. So um, constantly keep pushing the market back and forth.
Target filled.
Right. Come on. Come on. Nope, it didn't.
Target filled.
So still have some losses to recover. I'll close one more trade perhaps here
Target filled.
and place one here. And I will move my stop here so that in that way I can play for the downside. Further downside. Nope, it doesn't seem to be doing that, or maybe it is. One big push to the downside is all we need. Okay, maybe I'll place a target here.
Target filled.
All right. So almost recovered from the loss. It's this is $3 of loss. So guys, this is a classic example of how to be skillful. It's how to deploy your skills and come out of a losing situation. So let's analyze what I did. I took some short trades, contrarian short trades, while the market was going up, which were all successful, or at least break even. But when it came down, I took a long trade here. This is the place I took a long trade. I thought market would go back up, but did not happen. And then I had to do all this drama to salvage this trade that I had taken incorrectly. And why I'm saying incorrectly, I should have resisted taking any long trades, because in the uptrending market, I was not long. Why should I be long when the market was going down, when the overall trend is bearish? So this is a mistake. I think that was just an honest mistake. What happens while teaching, I am kind of sometimes my trading and teaching doesn't work together well. So anyway, when I made a mistake, I wanted to show you guys how to come out of it. This is the advanced stuff. This is advanced stuff, and I want you all to watch it again and again and be comfortable. That's why I kept both the screens on. Usually I expand one screen and just trade with that, but I wanted you to see what I was doing with respect to this 21 SMA on a 2-minute chart. So I should ideally close the shop now with $3 of loss. It's like profitable day. If I didn't lose money, it's profitable day. So and also see that when I decided to add 2 contracts, I added 2 contracts here almost on the top, and that helped me salvage my losing position. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to write us at info@slivertrades.com. If you are interested in Sliver Bullet Trading System, which includes education, automated software and funding accounts. Email us at info@slivertrades.com. You can visit us at www.slivertrades.com. We have upcoming webinar on Thursday and at 9:30 p.m. and we have significant deal that we are going to offer as part of Thanksgiving. So join us. You'll have webinar registration link on our website. So visit slivertrades.com. So today, how much we made? $44. Here, $3 loss, so $41. And GC, we made $80. It's about 120. And that's all I wanted to show you. But most important thing is how we recovered from $570 of loss. Net today, what we did, let me grab the pen and write it up here. And I'm showing you only the trades that I took live, otherwise I have more profit here, about $400 of profit here that I'm not accounting for. So today, net profit would be while trading live. But did I say 120? Yeah, give or take $120. Profit after recovering from $579 of loss. So good day, I would call it. So yeah, this is basically I kind of did because I wanted to do live and teach you a few things. I didn't expect to be able to teach you this such an important aspect of trading, how to manage a losing trade. This is the classic example. Advanced stuff, guys, but try to watch it again and again and be proficient in this awesome skill called or occupation called trading. Have a good one. Bye now.